Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create an iOS app template on Xcode for the first time. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have Xcode downloaded to your MacBook. We're just gonna open up the Xcode app. So in here you will need to create the new project. And then since you want to do the iOS, you need to click on iOS, and since it is a iOS app, you have to click on app, not something else. Click next. So here you can name the iOS app that you want to. Let's say I want to name my first iOS app, and I want the identifier to be TechShorts or any kind of identifier that speak about your organization. So the interface, you will keep it the same thing. The language will be in Swift because you are building a mobile application. And then the storage, I would just use this with data. And then once you finish, you can click next. So you want to save it in the folder that you want to. I'm going to save it in this folder. And so here you go. This is going to be your first iOS app template. And whenever you create a mobile application, this is where you usually start it. You're usually gonna wait for the index to be finishing, and when it is ready, you will see the content view, like the preview for the app. But this is basically it. This is how you can create an iOS app template on Xcode. Thank you.